got cut off by this guy. But that's okay. We will reunite with Micah soon.
Is Jeopardy music? Are we ready?
Focus of today is supposed to be the truck, the RSX, and Nathan's car.
Am I gonna be able to hang? Are they gonna go on red? That's not VTEC.
Wait, he's gotta say VTEC longer. Hold on.
Just give me a reason to keep my heart. I was lost again. I thought I had you. I thought you cared.
Or they're getting breakfast burritos, and we're gonna head over to the. You could just do whatever. Just have an ambience.
Have an ambience? Here from here. Popo is here. Popo is here. I'm gonna go in front of you, Micah.
Aye, sir. Okay, now I really think I better get over there. Hold on, let me pass you guys real quick.